Alright, so you can see right here on the screen is a $100 no deposit bonus which I've claimed, and also you can also claim it if you follow every single steps I'll be showing in this video. Now, there's a lot of saying that if you don't actually have money, you can't actually trade the forex market, which is totally 100% lie. Because I have video proof right here of many of my community members who have traded the forex market without adding a single penny of their money with a free no deposit bonus like this one I'm actually making video on, which you can actually just claim, trade, meet the certain requirements, and withdraw your money. Alright, so for the new member of my class, there's all you need to do is just pay attention to every single details of this video so you'll be able to claim this bonus. And once you've done that, you've understood every single process, there's a link I added to the comment section which you click on that will take you to the Telegram channel, the Telegram group, the community where you get to see free signals, and also you get to meet free updates anytime I drop them. So right there, before clicking on the link, first drop a comment in the comment section letting us know which country or state you're actually watching from, and then you can actually get to meet new friends in the community and also in the channel. So let's proceed. Now, once you click on the link, it brings you to the site right here that says SJF. You can see the name of the broker. That's the name of the broker that will be giving out the free capital which will be using to trade the live market. So now you can see the $100 deposit bonus shown on the screen right here, and every single details you need to know. And at the end of this video, I'll be showing you the terms and conditions which you need to meet in order to place withdrawal from this bonus. Now, doing all this, once you get to this section, you need to just scroll down a little bit. Now, once you come to the bottom right here, you'll be seeing a section where you can actually download their app on App Store and Play Store. Because with the app, that's where you need to proceed. Now, you click on this icon right here, App Store, to download it on App Store or Play Store. So I'm downloading from Play Store. So clicking on Play Store will bring me to my Play Store. I'll be able to download the app. So right here, I just need to click on it to download it, and then after downloading, I'll just proceed to fill in my details. Alright, so after downloading the app, you can see me right here in the app. So this is SJF. So proceeding, we need to first of all put in our email address. And I'm actually going to be blurring this part out because against YouTube community guideline to show email address in the video. So blurring it out, you can see it right there. I just blurred it out and input my email address and click on this arrow right here, this arrow beneath right here, and it brings me to this section where I have to fill in my full details, my full name, the country where I'm from, my mobile number, and select the gender, put in every details required and make sure they are correct. And after filling every details, you come to this section right here to click on continue. Now you can see it right there. Click on continue, and then we wait for it to take us to the next page where we actually proceed to making inquiries on how to get the bonus. Now see right here, they actually sent a code to our email address. A code was sent to my email address, which I just need to go to my email to copy and come back to this place to paste it. Now after pasting the code which was sent to me, I'll just click on continue to then proceed. And after that, I'll be asked to create a password which I'll be using to log into the app anytime I want to log into the app. I just created my password and also created it to once again to confirm it. And also after doing that, we would be having this on our screen. Now these details right here is for a demo account. This is not why we are here. Automatically a demo account was created on our behalf, and we just need to just follow the procedure and click on continue for it to take us to the next part. Now wait for it to finish loading, and you can see this next section. This is details for the demo account which was created on our behalf. That's to test their app and test the forex market if you want to trade on a demo. But this is not why we are here. So you just proceed to the main menu, to the main app. I can see details like this on the screen. Now you just click on these three lines shown at the top right here. Clicking on the three lines, you get to see options where you see bonus among the options. Now see bonus right there. You click on the bonus, and this bonus will make you know that you won't be able to get this bonus if you don't verify your details. You actually need your ID card, your voter's card, your driver's license to make verification to be able to get this bonus right here. So once you get to this section, you see it right there, no deposit bonus. I'm sure everyone can see it right there. That's the first option at the top right there. So once you click on it, this no deposit bonus brings us to a section where we actually need to verify our details before we can be able to claim the bonus. Now click on start the procedure. That will take us to where we actually need to submit our ID card for verification. Now see this section, it says identity verification. Click on verify your identity, this space right here. Now doing that will take us to this next part where you can actually select the type of their ID card you want to use for verification. Now, doing that, you need to take a live picture, a live snap of your ID card which you want to use for verification. I see I just did mine, and the next part, you click on OK. See identity verification under review. It's still under review, and within 10-20 minutes you get your review done. That's as quick as how I got mine. So you can see right here, I just submitted my document for verification, and after some minutes I got verified. Okay, so once you've been verified, you just need to click on the three lines once again and go back to the no deposit bonus section. Now you'll be having this available in that space where which actually shows for verification. Now you just need to select an account which you want the bonus to be added into, and click on that small box to agree to the terms and conditions and click on continue. Once you click on continue, automatically a bonus will be added to the account. Now you can see details like this. That shows I've been given the no deposit bonus, and you just need to take the details to your MT4 and MT5. Now, for those who are just joining my class, I'm sure I actually told everyone to download those apps. That's what we'll be using to trade the live market. So once you have the details right here, after claiming the bonus, you just need to go back to the main menu, and you get to see these details like this on the screen. Now, if you can't actually locate these details, just go straight to your email address. The details like this will have been sent to your email. The password, the login number, and everything will be sent to your email address just like this. And after having this on the screen, you just need to take these details to your MT5 to log in. Now, from here right here, I'm just going to be taking these details to my MT5 to show you how to log in into the MT5. Alright, so getting to MT5, you have this on your screen. Now click add trading account. Once you click on add trading account, this will take you to the section where you actually need to put in the name of the server into this line right here. Find broker, and put in the name of the broker, which is XChef. Now once you type in XChef into the box, it brings this option. You can see it, XChef Limited. You click on it, and this will take you to the section where you actually need to put in the details which was sent to you in your email address and also in the trading app. You put it to this place, the login number and the password which was sent to you. So once you put in the details, you click on login, and immediately you click on login, you'll be having this right here on your screen, the $100 no deposit bonus. And you just need to click on this icon right here to show the chart to see every single details of the things you need to continue doing to place trade. Now, for those who actually just joined the channel, who actually just joined my class, there's also more details which I am actually going to be explaining in the class to make you understand what to do next. Now, I want you to take these few seconds to click on the subscription button to subscribe to the channel. That's one big way of saying thanks to this little hard work I'm putting to make sure everyone can actually make money online. And also leave a comment in the comment section, give the video a like, join the community. If you're just new to the channel, you're just in the video, you can join the community where you get to get free signal to trade the live market, get no deposit bonus updates, and always make money online. Have a nice day, guys.